Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. To manage or remove bad videos from your Facebook feed, you can take several steps to control what appears in your feed and improve your overall experience. So in order to do that, simply open the Facebook app on your mobile device and log into your account. After that, tap on the three dashboard option available in the bottom right corner. Then tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the settings. And once you're inside the settings, all you have to do is scroll down and tap on the news feed option available there. And inside news feed, tap on the reduce. Now in reduce, tap on the sensitive content and tap on the reduce more option available there. By this you can see fewer posts like this. Now all you have to do is go back again and do the same with the two other features available there. So by using this reduce more option on Facebook, you can effectively reduce the visibility of unwanted or inappropriate videos and other content in your feed, creating a more tailored and enjoyable browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.